Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to watch City Information. First, navigate to your city's official government website. This is typically found by searching for your city name official website. Once there, look for a dedicated section for public notices, city council information, or official announcements. These sections are usually prominently displayed on the homepage or under a Government or Services tab. Once on the relevant page, use the website search function to find specific intimations. Keywords such as public notice, ordinance, or meeting agenda can be very helpful. Many sites offer filtering options, allowing you to narrow down results by date, department, or subject matter. Always check the official calendar for upcoming events or deadlines related to city decisions. When you find an intimation, read the entire document thoroughly to grasp its full meaning. Pay close attention to critical details such as specific dates, times, and locations for any associated events or deadlines. Also, identify any instructions for public participation, like submitting comments or attending a hearing. If you have questions, look for provided contact information, often an email address or phone number. To stay consistently informed, consider subscribing to your city's official email newsletters or notification services. Many cities also maintain active social media channels where they post important updates. Attending public meetings or hearings, even virtually, offers a direct way to engage. Finally, make it a habit to regularly check the official website for new intimations and announcements, perhaps once every 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.